about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT as we take this train to Pingtung County and a town known as Neipu. It's actually one of the 6 Liuduis or 6 armies in English, and it has a lot of Hakka culture, abundance of it. Their appreciation for nature is unbelievable, and so Leo is going to tell us all about it a little bit later. 今天呢，带大家坐着火车到屏东市，下车之后呢，我们可以转到内埔乡哦。而内埔乡呢，其实就是6堆之一，它到底是6堆中的哪一堆呢？待会儿就知道喽。哦，前前后后，左左右右，
你干嘛啦？
到底是先锋还是后堆还是中间？我们到底在哪里啊？6堆里面，内埔到底在哪一个方向啊？
内埔乡是后堆后堆。你没看我站得很后面吗？我靠着山呐。
后面就是
对，有靠山，这不是很安全吗？
啊，这已经是靠山的地方，难怪是后堆。OK， 可是我真的很想了解这边当地的文化。据说这边的客家人的百分比也很高啊，对不对？
这边有60%是客家人。
哇，不过我们现在就在这个6堆客家文化园区的门口里耶。
对啊。
里面呢到底有什么可以介绍的？
我跟你讲一下，这6堆文化园区呢，它占地是20公顷，那非常的大。然后它主要分作4个主题区。
OK， 哪4大？
那4个主题区就是伞架客家聚落区、田园地景区、自然草原区，还有酒乡花园景观区，总共4大主题区哦。
伞架客家聚落是可以跳伞的地方，是不是？
没有啦，以前没有跳伞啦。
也对，
那就是那个伞可以打开，大家就可以在底下来做活动喽。
这样还蛮有特色，蛮漂亮的耶。
没错，而且非常适合一家大小来这边踏青聚会哦。
哇，有4大主题区啊，赶快当我的导游，带我进去玩吧。
没问题，走喽。
There's a place in Pingtung known as Liudui, or 6 armies in English, that is almost 2/3 Hakka by population. The name comes from the 6 fronts during a rebellion long ago. The region was originally a vast forest. In one area, Neipu Township has preserved this natural beauty. Neipu has scenic fields and gardens showcasing the Hakka way of living with nature, and they symbolize the Hakka spirit of cooperation necessary to open up these lands when the Hakka first arrived.
Leo 啊，我刚看到东西很漂亮，我一直说董江嘛，可是我旁边的人一直讲龟是什么？觉得
龟孬啊，
对，是什么？
龟孬是南部的说法，就是很漂亮的意思。那北部是讲董江。
Okay, so there are 2 ways of saying it's very beautiful or pretty. One, the southern way of saying it's 龟孬, and then the northern way is 董江。All right, now I know, and that is today's Hakka training on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.